Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. We've got an absolute belter for you. KTM 1290 Superduke R 1301cc, and the previous owner, and there's only one of them, has spent a small fortune on it. So while it's panned out, you can see the full titanium Akrapovic system down there. It's got the power parts, rear sets, carbon mudguard, and we'll talk you through all the other extras it's had on it. Absolute small fortune spent on it. It's got lever guards, got different throttle tubes, quick action throttle. It's got the Rizoma mirrors. It's the latest model with the LED headlight down here and the full colour TFT dash. Carbon mudguard down there. I said the full Akrapovic titanium system. It's got the exhaust hanger, tail tidy, seat cowl, power parts seat and power parts tank protector. It's also had the track and performance pack, so you can turn the ABS off, and it's got quickshifter and autoblipper, launch control, heated grips, you name it, it's got it. It's got power commander on it as well, with an upgraded airbox and open K&N filter, and it's got the LED rear light and full indicators on there as well. Really is an absolute weapon. It's been on a road test, so it's fully warm, so when we do start it we can rev it a bit for you, but knowing this it has warmed up. I said full colour TFT dash, and you've got sport, road, rain mode. You've also got track mode, launch control and so on you can have on this as well. It is absolute mega. Keyless as well, quick action, quick release, fuel cap on there. You can see the Rizoma mirrors, mega quality, no expense spared. So one owner, full service history. It is absolutely mega. I said it is warmed up, so we will give it a bit of a rev for you. It does sound mega. Oh, your fighter. You see that flame? Beautiful. So be quick. This will not hang around for long. If you want to save a fortune over new, this is the bike to buy. Come on down to Jordan Bikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.